Put toothpaste on cucumber and rub it gently for a few seconds. Now watch what I'm going to make with it. This simple DIY skincare mixture is designed for skin that looks dry, dull, rough, or shows visible lines and texture. I'm combining a few everyday ingredients to create a refreshing homemade treatment for the skin. But does it actually make a noticeable difference? Stay until the end, because I'll apply it and show you the before and after. Result. Now take the remaining half of the cucumber and grate it using a clean grater. Grate it into very small pieces, so that the cucumber releases its natural moisture and creates a soft, workable base for our mixture. Cucumber is naturally rich in water, which makes it a refreshing ingredient for a simple DIY skincare routine. It can help the skin feel cooler, fresher, and temporarily more hydrated. Once you have enough grated cucumber, transfer it into a clean bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of aloe oil to the grated cucumber. Aloe oil adds a nourishing and moisturizing element to the mixture, helping the skin feel softer and smoother. It also blends well with the cucumber and honey, giving our DIY skincare mixture a richer texture. Add the 2 tablespoons and mix gently until the oil is evenly incorporated. Next, we're adding 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey works as a humectant, meaning it can help attract and hold moisture on the surface of the skin. That makes it a useful addition when you want your skin to feel softer and more moisturized. Add the honey to the cucumber and aloe vera, then mix everything together slowly. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar gives this mixture a gentle physical exfoliating element. When used carefully, it can help loosen some surface buildup and leave the skin feeling smoother. But remember, the goal here is gentle care, not aggressive scrubbing. So when we eventually apply the mixture, use light movements and avoid putting too much pressure on the skin. Now comes the ingredient we started this experiment with. Add approximately 2 small pea-sized portions of toothpaste. I'm using only a small amount because toothpaste is not specifically formulated as a skincare product and can irritate some people's skin. So if you have sensitive skin, always patch test first and stop immediately if you experience burning, itching, or redness. Now mix all of the ingredients thoroughly. Keep mixing until the cucumber, aloe vera, honey, sugar, and toothpaste are evenly combined into one consistent mixture. And just like that, our homemade skincare mixture is ready for the test. Now let's put it to the test. Here is the hand before application. You can see the natural texture and visible lines on the skin. Take a small amount of the mixture and apply a thin, even layer over the back of the hand. Spread it gently across the skin. There's no need to scrub hard. Make sure the mixture covers the area evenly, especially where the skin looks dry or rough. Once the mixture is applied, I'm going to cover the area loosely with plastic. Wrap and let it sit for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. The purpose of this short waiting period is simply to allow the mixture to remain in contact with the skin. After 5 to 10 minutes, it's time to remove the mixture. Take off the plastic wrap and gently rinse the hand with lukewarm water. Make sure you remove all of the mixture, especially because toothpaste can be irritating if left on the skin. Once the hand is clean, gently pat it dry with a soft towel. If your skin feels dry afterward, you can apply a simple fragrance-free moisturizer. Final before and after. And now comes the part we've been waiting for, the final comparison. Here is the hand before the experiment, and here is how it looks after rinsing. The skin may appear fresher, cleaner, and temporarily softer because of the moisture and gentle exfoliation provided by some of the ingredients.